Hello everyone! Whether you are a local business, small shop, online shop, company, creating a Facebook shop can help you in sales and business growth, which is very important during these challenging times. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Creating Facebook Shop is one detailed process. Here you should know that everything is somehow connected, so in order to create one thing, you should know how to set up another. Go to your page and click on Manage Shop, Start Shop Setup. Choosing the checkout method is the next step. It can be on your website or through messages, be it via Instagram Direct, WhatsApp, or Messenger, Facebook, and Instagram. Now you have to provide your business email. The step where you have to name your catalog is vital. Be precise so that people can know exactly what you're selling. Before you click Next and submit Shop for review, be sure that you provided the right information. Now you'll have to wait for your shop to be reviewed. You can view your shop or customize it. However, keep in mind that the banner on the front page may tell you that the review process can take up to 4 weeks. As such, your shop won't be visible to customers until it's been approved. Add products and items to your shop. Add items, title, description, website link if you have one, price in currency that suits you, and condition. The more details you provide, the bigger chances are to sell it. The next step is to make sure that your item is visible. Sometimes you do not have one on stock, but sometimes you have plenty. So be sure to check availability and inventory right. Also, you can create variants. It means that buyers can choose color, size, flavor, format, or material. When you finish, your item is ready. Add item to your shop. After that, you can add more items, but before that, make sure that the first one you listed is created adequately. Now click on Manage Shop. Preview your shop and finish upgrading if you didn't. What kind of layout do you prefer? If you choose manually selected, you choose a star product for example. Choose product, title description, and where your text and button will stand. But if you choose dynamic one, Facebook will select the product for you. Each customer will see the product according to their interests and algorithm. In case you don't know what an algorithm is, check out our video tutorial, Social Media Language and Expressions. You can also create a featured collection by clicking on that tab, choosing the perfect name for it, and adding new products. Items. This section will show you all your listed items, whether they're activated, deactivated, if you had issues. Sets. You may have sets of items, so in this part, you can see store collection. Issues. If you had any product sales problems, that will appear right here. Data sources. Each item has its own name or ID. In this part of Shop Manager, you can check the status of your products. For example, you uploaded 20 new products this week, but did not update any. So it's another checklist for you. Events. This part helps you to run retargeted ads. If you don't know what a retargeted ad is, check out our video tutorial, Social Media Language and Expressions. And for this part, you also need to know how to set up Facebook Pixel, so we also have a tutorial on that one, how to set up Facebook Pixel. Shops. This is the part where you can create and edit your shop items and view your catalog and inventory. You can also see the dark mode by clicking on this sun button. Ads. For this step, you'll need to decide between traffic ads and dynamic ads. Traffic ads trace you to data sources where you can add your products or items. Dynamic ads. Add your product, connect Facebook Pixel and/or SDK, and then create ad. Be sure that you know and follow all the necessary steps before you advertise your shop. Now, you can create ad. But remember, you'll need a connected ad account in order to run ads. Insights. This part of Shop helps you to have insights of your shoppers or customers. You can choose a time range in which you can see which product is the best seller, for which one you got messages, who's buying your products, from where did they come from. You'll need to grow your audience in order to sell products and have valuable metrics. General. Choose language and country. Each audience is specific and you surely know yours. Here you can also edit catalog details, business assets like manage business account, and even connect a Facebook pixel. Permissions. The right personnel can have permission to your Facebook shop, so there can't be any mistakes in listing the items. For each person you can manage permissions by clicking on their name and check what they can do or cannot. You can delete your shop at any time you want by clicking on Shop tab on your Facebook page and then clicking on the little cogwheel icon and then delete shop. Don't forget to publish your updates. You can follow all these steps in Commerce Manager, design your shop, add items, prices, or description. If you want to advertise, you'll have to connect ad account to your business settings so you could run ads. It may look confusing to you, but if you followed all the steps needed, you will easily know how to list and sell your items, and at the very end, be a satisfied businessman. But what is a store without a catalog? This way, you're creating your Facebook store. So, go to this Facebook link and choose which type of catalog you want. For each type you select, you have to write the name of catalog owner, name, and website, optional of course. Select the Business Manager account or personal account that your catalog belongs to. But a business account is a must if you want to use most channels for your catalog and to assign other people permissions to work on the catalog. But you'll also have to be an admin as well. If it's an e-commerce catalog, you will have to upload product information or connect e-commerce platform. These are the Facebook partners where you can easily set your store. If you already work with one of the listed partners, you click on the partner link below and follow further instruction. Now, when a catalog is created, you're ready to go to the market. Catalog Manager helps you add your items in bulk or create dynamic ads. Overview helps you track your catalog data. Now let's see the catalog itself. Items. Here you can add items to your catalog. Be sure that each item has its own title, description, and link in case you have an external website. Same goes for the shop when you're creating one. Sets. Which items go into your set? Use filters to add all applicable items to the set with filtering. For example, you can apply filters to add that all yellow socks cost less than $1. If you use manually select items, you'll have to set each individually. Now enter a name for your new set. You can choose to use filters. Then, select an attribute in the first drop-down menu to filter items by name or price. Now enter the search items in the text box and use the second drop-down menu to narrow your search. If you want to apply more filters, select Add Another Filter and repeat it. If you choose to manually select items, click the box next to each item and set them. At the end, select Create. Now you created a set of items in your catalog. The important thing is that you can now select your set when you create ads in Ads Manager. Also, you can select Advertise Set and start creating a catalog sales campaign from your set. You can go to the Sets tab anytime you want to view, edit, duplicate, or delete your set. In Commerce Manager, you can add your shop, go to the Shops tab to create and manage feature collections, add a catalog, and manage lists. If the set is used in some campaign, try not to edit it, change it, because it may negatively impact your campaign. Creating a shop or catalog is a job that requires time and concentration, so be patient and do not hesitate to try. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.